I am your Sir Steve Fett. I have come out of hiding to bring you this special message. Uncle Sam's Boys is having their annual Fan Appreciation Night. This is the best event of the year. The date is July 2nd. Gates open at 5:30. The game starts at 6. Come on out to Roland Moore Park. Just like always, all fans get free cheese fries after the game. If you are like me, you love those tasty cheese fries. Now, how about a big kiss from me to you? Yum, 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 yum.